Hey, looky. Ooh, nicey nice. Ugh. What'd you get? Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Pat. Leaving work, ready to get off work, head straight to G House pretty much. I gotta go home, grab the trailer and whatnot for this shop day. Beautiful sound. But anyway, ready to head home. I gotta grab this trailer right quick, grab the dogs out the house because they've been in the house all day, so I'm gonna take them over to G's with me. But yeah, should be a good time. It's always a good time when the fellas get together. But we're gonna work on some trucks, install some stuff, and give it y'all a little bit. All right, now that we got everything we need from the house, we can head over to G's. We out here, another war shop day, working on some trucks. At the moment, we got Ray over here getting busy with his truck, trying to get his speakers right. You know what I'm saying? Freaking Evan over there, he knocked out his, he's debadging his truck. I'm gonna work on that. Gotta do some work on his trailer right quick. And then we got something coming for Vader too. I don't know if Corey doing anything. Not sure, I think he's just here to help. G working on something too. That boy done pulled up. You good right here. Yeah. Oh shit.
I thought you were a bumblebee or something.
Man, what?
My life is only give one life. Good. This shit been already written.
Whoa! Ho!
I'm falling. Help!
Yeah, I got it.
Goddamn!
Yeah.
Caught now. Alright.
Test this thing.
Play it. Yeah, play it.
Play it. There's nothing coming out.
Oh, Corey, I didn't hook this speaker up.
What the fuck?
Sorry.
You're not supposed to hook it up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, don't judge me.
Wait, what? How do you tune it in without the speaker? Never mind. I don't know nothing.
I just know how to turn wrenches. I don't really be knowing any electrical shit.
Once that goes flat, I'm watching the sound waves of the voltage. So once that goes flat, that means it's clipping.
I knew that. I really didn't.
My shit finna sound like. Shit gonna sound like Corey's.
Yo.
They're like, who that coming down in Jessup? I hear him headed this way on 95. Oh, that must be Rick.
That boy dumb.
Almost get them all.
Nobody's coming over. I'm good. That's bad one.
Self-tap screws in the real division.
It's the dude. Remember the dude with that fucking little.
He just shot at us?
With me with the goofy looking kid. Not fucking Gorbar. Fuck that dude. We don't even talk anymore. He's
So
still
listen,
has
only
a
thing you want to jump is the head. The head, not even that.
Oh, shoot. We got a white boy that seasoned his food. What you talking about?
You gotta tell him the real name. What's
You know what I'm saying? 33rd on the grill.
That's a secret.
Well, everybody know about 33rd. Well, not everybody. But,
I made these at fucking 8 o'clock this morning and then cooked them at G's.
ooh. What are these? Bacon wrap? What?
Peppers.
Peppers. Oh, those are delicious.
What's up? Try my shit. Just try your bacon
Try
wrap
your
peppers.
shit.
Yeah, bro.
These, right?
Yeah. Put your mouth on those.
Put your mouth around it.
Goddamn.
You know, 33rd the chef.
Damn, I'm about to try some of these too.
Sam made them. Oh, Sam about to fuck you up. You see what just happened, Sam?
He literally told us yesterday. See, look.
But yes.
Oh, that shit looked fucking good.
You saw the way that motherfucking cheese stretched out that bitch?
It's the way Ray literally said
That shit look Thanksgiving-ish.
It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Hell yeah.
He trying to tell y'all come for Sunday dinner.
I see y'all. I'm about to eat this shit and drive.
It's him getting a burger and mac and cheese and going about his day.
I got too many brothers that is bad. I made it from the horse, so you.
By the way, check a little dirty today. He's white and I think on 2.
Is this 2 subs?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
According to what the specs of it say. When I put out the
You know, sometimes
250 watts.
The way he lays cracks me up.
He wants you to know that he got them nuts. Big boy nuts, boy.
He ain't got no nuts.
He got them chopped. Chop my boy's nuts
I
off.
didn't chop him. They was chopped before I got him.
I already saw yours.
No,
I saw the video.
Those are mine.
Oh, hell no, Pat. Oh, hell no. Towards the front of the truck. All right, why not put it on the back of the truck? Face it towards the back of the truck.
If you're honking at somebody in front of you, they're like, damn, dude, that train is far
Hell
away.
no. See, you got to hit the ones behind you, too.
Get off my ass.
I know you had got one. I know you had the second one. Because that one you had got from Scotty, right?
Say what?
So when yours get installed?
Today.
All right, yeah, let's go home. I'm gonna bust my eardrums tonight. Let's go.
It's a shop day, man. This is what we do on shop day.
Well, see, we got a person who's not a member yet.
Huh? Yeah, he putting his seat back in now, and then moving his truck.
We got a lot.
We're not about to test it. It's lightweight. I don't know why he's acting like he's struggling. It's a small speaker.
I know, right? Well, let's thump it away.
Let's what?
Thump it away.
Thump it away.
I mean, it's definitely hitting better in this box than it did in my buddies, but my buddies was moving more stuff because it was so big. So this is more tight, compact bass. Because the fucking bass just blows the shit out.
It just blows what?
She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap. She make it.
What the fuck?
And now I run.
You are entirely too big to be whining and sounding like that.
It's a big ass baby.
It's a big ass baby.
Hey y'all, we gotta get us some amp steps. Them things. Yeah, we need them. We need them. We gotta upgrade Vader. Yep. I got the thingamabobber.
There you go. Perfect thingamabobber. That's perfect. We'll wire it in and get you fucking hooked up.
What you eating down there? Oh, it's something you ain't got no business eating. What are you doing? Oh, you making your box? Mm-hmm. Trouble in the making.
I just asked if you like some. I didn't say use some. I have some iPro. Would you like to use some? I can use some start shades. I hope you lose a finger.
Me too. It's service related.
How much your feet you is? This is one of those in your ass. Nothing. Yeah. Now. The one thing that crushes your bumper, and I've shaved the shit out of that and put a fucking 1.5 inch spacer in the front end. Or a 3/4 inch spacer in the front. There's wood blocks between his bumper mounts.
Are you trying to get me in trouble?
Nope.
Because you're giving me ideas.
That could work.
You know, told my lady I was almost done with this truck. Here you are. So, hey, if I buy anything else, it's G's fault.
I mean,
It's G's
you're
fault,
still
babe.
not done with this, so the body lift is almost even complete or even more done.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Hey, but build's never done though.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. As soon as you think you're done, they come out with new shit.
Yeah. And then
I
you're
mean,
like, okay.
she wants her. What's she want? The Escalade
Honestly, I don't even know right now.
or the Denali? And I know she wants to lift the tires on it. She ain't gonna be content with that.
Ain't no telling. She used to want a truck, and she was her truck was gonna be bigger than mine.
She left out. She's like, I want GMC Denali, and I want a 10-inch lift on it. And and we're like, what? She's like, I want a Duramax, and I'm like,
Hey,
G, you gotta hate me, help me. And I'm like, this is your fault.
her shit was gonna be bigger than mine.
Yeah, she was like, I want it big. It's okay, his and her matching in the driveway.
Her shit was gonna be like black and purple though.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
that'd be cool.
Like those two Chargers.
Oh yeah, the ones. Yeah. I seen that. They'll do.
I'm running down here. I can't get to the wires. That's a problem. But where I can run it.
Oh, can't put that on YouTube. Got my whole damn video deleted.
Okay. I'm gonna go, if I can get the hole here and here. So it'll be click on, and then you just hit the button right there.
Cool.
So all your buttons will be hidden. You won't even see the horn button.
Works for me.
But you'll be able to see if it's on because it'll be red. So when you, if you click it up, or whichever way it turns on for red, wherever the switch just went to, which is right here, which I want to see if it's clicked up. So it'll be down, and you just reach up down and click it on, it'll be red. You'll see it red inside there, and then the other horn button will be right above it, and you just hit it. So you can roll like this and just hit straight up into it and turn and power it and hit everything.
Cool.
Okay.
But
What do you call this device you created here?
The Gloria Hole pendulum.
Stick scratchy thing.
This video, this next YouTube video is gonna have a bunch of random moments. Yeah, gotta get the footage.
Then pull it through, and then I'll just chasing the zip ties all over.
That's enough.
Yeah, just pull tight, and I'll zip tie the rest of the way. You're good.
You are in the way.
What's up, Block? That's you. That's you. You're Block from now on. Block head.
Back up.
Could you lay down? Lay down. Right there. Perfectly fine.
All right, hold on. Come back down.
Yep.
Okay.
Hold on. That's good right there. I need to get wrenches so I can readjust on the door.
All right, you needed to come back down?
No, it's fine. Leave it right there.
All right. Those are some nice glory holes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Just pan the camera that way after saying that.
That is a nice glory
All right,
hole
Nate.
you got there, G.
Oh, Pat, go ahead and take him up. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. These are fucking huge.
He lives there, dude. You can't bark at him at his own house. Hey, hey,
He's like zero pounds.
hey, come here. Hey, sit down. Have a seat. No, like there. Just, you don't have to get closer. Just sit.
You did say come here.
I did say come here. You're right. Sit down.
Blame the dog for doing what you said.
I can't. Yeah, lay down. All the way. Let's just have a chill. Down. Thank you, good sir. Oh. Oh. I was like, you're not about to hit that, are you? Jesus Christ.
Do it. You won't.
No, let's not. We have good neighbors here. We live
Like
in a
a good
good
neighbor,
neighborhood.
State
This is a
Farm is
good
there.
neighborhood.
It's like State Farm. It's like it.
Dude, Gotti's 29 inches tall. It's a tall ass dog.
But he's fucking taller on your shoulders. He's probably taller than you.
Oh, 100%, yeah. I'm sure.
Yo, daddy, chill.
It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I don't know where 2 hours went, but it like fucking yawned.
Another successful shop day. Night, evening, morning.
Next time somebody tell me it's winter time and we just had time change and it gets dark early.
Yeah, that was. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my bad.
God, I hope that thing hits fucking tits.
So, here we are. We got the horn set up for a little preview hunk. Get in there, get to him.